Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Grainfather Conical Fermenter cooling pump kit. Now to use this kit you will need to have the conical fermenter, and you will also need to have the fermenter controller, and this is what will control the temperature for you. So the standard fermenter already has built-in heating, and the really good thing about this kit is it's a nice and affordable way to get into cooling the beer in the fermenter as well. So the first thing we're going to need to do is set up all the electronics. So currently I've got this fermenter set up in the standard way that you would do when you receive just the fermenter, with the power adapter plugged into the wall and the 2-meter power cord plugged into the adapter. So first thing to do is to unplug this 2-meter power cord. Okay, so I've unplugged this power cord from the adapter now. So set the adapter aside, and you don't need this anymore, so store it, put it away, and what you'll receive is a new power cord, and it looks very similar, where it's got the two ends, one connecting to the fermenter and one to the power adapter, but it's got a T-piece here that goes to a DC jack, and it looks like something that might connect to your laptop, and this is what the pump will connect to. So what you want to do is go to the end that's got the T-piece on it, get your power adapter, and this connects into the power adapter, and this is really important that the side where the T-piece is closest to connects to the power adapter, just so that it operates correctly. And it's quite a noticeable difference where the other end is a really long cord, as you can see. So this end just plugs into the back of the fermenter. Okay, so the next step is to get your pump, and on the other side there you'll see the female DC jack port, and this part just plugs into the other the other side of the T-piece. So now the pump is connected as well, as you can see there. So put that aside for now, and next we will connect the cooling hoses. Now the first step in connecting the cooling hoses is just to connect these two little brass barbed end pieces into the fermenter, so that the quick couplets from the cooling hoses side can connect to the fermenter, and you simply just screw those in and get a wrench or something to just tighten them up. So I'll get my hose. You'll get both hoses have insulation on them, and one hose will be blue, one hose will be red, and that just kind of makes it a bit easier to know what's the cold hose and the hot hose, where the cold water will be pumped through. So the cold water you pump through the fermenter connects to the lower side of the inlet. So as you can see, that one's a bit lower than that side. It's a blue hose, so I'll just connect this coupler to that side. There we go. Grab my red one. Looks the same, it's just a red hose, and this just connects to either side, like so. And next we can connect the hoses to the pump and get it cooling. Okay, so the next step is to connect the cooling hose up to your pump. So if you grab the cooling hose, the blue one, and the pump, and the pump outlet is on the top, next to where the sticker is, the little label. So if you just put the hose and connect that up to push it over. And now this is a submersible pump, so the next step is to get a bucket, a container, or a chili bin, which will be ideal, and put that inside, and then fill the container, the vessel, with water, and then with some ice or ice pads or anything like that, and just make sure to keep it cool always, and make sure there's enough water in there. Ideally anything over 5 litres, 6 litres of water will be best. So for the video purposes, I've just got the jug here, so I'm just going to submerge the pump in there, get into the bottom, and the other hose, the red one, this is where the cooling water comes out, and this just goes back into the vessel, so you can just rest it inside. And I'll just show you now how to turn it on. So the pump will turn on when the fermenter calls it for cooling. So currently my fermenter temperature is at 21.7. My target temperature is at 24, so it's actually in heating at the moment. So if I just put my target now to, let's say 15, so bubbling, the pump kicks on, and the water will start recirculating now. Take a little while for it to come out again. There we go. You see, it just comes out. And so yeah, you just make sure to always keep the vessel containing your water cold, so always top it up with more ice. One of the best things to actually do is to say, get a chili bin, put in about 10 litres of water, and then get empty Coke bottles, fill that with water, and then put them in the freezer. And then once they're frozen, put that inside the water, and then have some others in the freezer. And when you come back and those are unfrozen, swap them over with the new ones and put that back, and you can just keep recycle using them like that. And so yeah, thank you.